that way, communication is just like your machine, the lubricant. Can I say now? Lubricant. So you have all of it. The change management is a whole set of machine. To make this whole set of machine work smoothly, you need lubricant, which is communication. And communication means telling people the right information that you want them to hear. A little bit weird, but it's true. That's why you need to manage. You want them to hear things that is positive, so that they make the move. Obviously, I told you at the beginning, the world is not perfect. There will be negative information. That is where you must know how to bring it down, cut it short. Better still, turn them into positive. That is very convincing to people. Right? So you need people who can talk, who can turn the dead fish around. Right? That would be good. So